Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Perspectives in Education in English Medium. And today we are going to discuss about the professional development of the teacher, in which we are going to mainly focus on educational institutions in India, which helps the professional development of the teachers. So it is very important for your DSC examination. Let us start. So, first institution is the National Council for Teacher Education. So simply we can say that NCTE, it is a statutory body which is started in 1995 and which regulates the teacher education institutions across the India, and it is established under Indian Parliamentary Act, and it is located in Delhi, and offices all four regions of India. So, what is the key functions? So, the key functions of the National Council for Teacher Education approves the teacher education programs, conduct research and innovations in teacher training methodologies, and it has the uh, four branches in eastern, western, northern, and southern regions of India, like in Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jaipur, and Bangalore. Though it controls the quality. Okay, state norms stands for the teaching degrees, monitors the compliance and accrediting institution through four regional institutions operating from Bhubaneswar, Bangalore, Jaipur, and Bhopal. So it also helps the to curriculum developments. Okay, so across 28 states and 8 unions, it helps the uh, curriculum, then professional development of the teachers. So it coordinate with the education programs and professional development in four teachers in collaborate with the state council university throughout India with the model institute in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Calcutta. So it is a statutory body. It controls the quality of the education, then it helps the professional development of the teachers, then curriculum development, and it has some key function as I discussed. So let us discuss about the National Council of Educational Research and Training. This simply we can say that NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. So in your examination they are going to ask what is the observation of NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. So it is founded in 1961. So it is the autonomous organization under the government of India. So it advises in improving the school education. So what is the functions here? Let us see the curriculum development. Okay, it creates the model textbooks and learning material that widely accepted across India, and it conducts the teacher training programs, workshops, and enhance the teaching methodologies in the classroom. Then educational research. So studies learning outcome teaching methods to improve the quality of education nationwide. So, and one more thing, who conducts the National Talent Search Examination, NTSE? So NTSE, National Talent Search Examination, conducted by the NCERT. Okay, and and it operates in National Institute of Education in New Delhi. So this is about the National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT. Then National Institute of Educational Technology, CIET, Central Institute of Educational Technology. So what is the main functions is the media production. It creates the video, audio contents, and it also develops the e-learning, electronic learning resources and platforms. Then it supports the distance education universities or centers across India. So it supports remotely learning through technology, Central Institute of Educational Technology, CIET. Then English and foreign languages. Simply we can say that EFLU, EFLU, English and foreign Languages University. So what is the function? Language teaching. So it is this university specializes in English and other foreign language instruction, and it also conducts the teacher training programs, and then research also it conducts. It focus on studies on linguistics and teaching methodologies and cultural studies. This is about the IFLU. Please remember, English and Foreign Languages University, EFLU. Then State Council of Educational Research and Training. State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT. So this full form also important. Okay. Uh, what is this function? SCERT function. What is the function? State level. It prepares the like every state has the SCERT. So it prepares the state level curriculum. Okay. It reflects the regional things. Okay. And it also enhance improve the teacher education in services teacher training. So those who already got government jobs are doing as a teacher, there it is going to be improve their professional development and their educational qualities. Then educational innovation, it also tests new teaching methods. Okay, what is the new learning approaches which is appropriate to the contemporary education. Then so let us discuss about the SIET. Please remember these abbreviations: State Institute of Education Technology. State Institute of Education Technology. Okay, SIET. So what is the functions? It is a media creation. So it produces the educational TV programs and digital content, design the interactive learning material. So whatever the state conducting, okay, that programs media creation, making videos and all those stuff, digital content created by the State Institute of Education Technologies, SIET. Then technology integration. Okay, trains the teacher to use education technology. It promotes about the information communication technology in classrooms. Then it focuses on regional. Okay, creates the content in local language. If it is South Indian state, it creates in South Indian languages. Content. If it is North Indian or Western Indian or East Indian, so respective state local language is focused, and whatever the specific needs of the particular state, uh, that will be taken into consider by the State Institute of Education Technology, SIET. Then see, every state has the State Resource Center, SRC. Okay, what it what it says that adult education. It promotes the literacy among the adult population. Those who are unable to attend their schooling, or those who don't know about the like minimum literary skills, LSRW. For them, they are going to teach. And community learning things. Okay, it develops a program for lifelong education. Those who are unable to attend the formal education and those who are discontinued, for them, they can enhance their educational qualification through community learning. Then resource development, it creates the all teaching learning material for adult learners. Please remember, it is not for the normal students, it is for the adult literature. Okay, like teaching learning material prepared for the adult learners. Okay, it is also pre- it also prepares or instructs for the non-formal education. Okay, State Resource Center for the adult education, community learning, training support for the non-formal education staff, and resource development like preparing TLM and all the stuff for the uh, adult learners. State Resource Center, SRC. Then it comes to the Regional Institute of Education, RIE. RIE. So it is located in Ajmer, Bhopal, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Mysore, and Shillong. These are the regional centers extended NCERT research across India. So, what is RIE? Regional Institute of Education, which is established by the it is extent of NCERT and which is located in Ajmer, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Mysore, and Shillong. So what they does, the Regional Institute of Education, what they does, teacher education offers B.Ed, M.Ed, and other teaching degrees. Okay, and those who got the good rank, merit student, they will get the admission in this particular RIE, Regional Institute of Education. Then research activities. It conducts the studies for regional educational challenges. Then it is going to be a coordination between the regional coordination. So the multiple state with the specialized programs. So this is all about the Regional Institute of Education. Then District Institute of Education and Training, DIET colleges. As we know, it trains for the TTC. Okay, please remember DIET full form. DIET full form is District Institute of Education and Training. So it is a pre-service training. So before entering into the formal teacher job, they undergo to the 2 years training. Okay, it is the elementary education purpose, pre-training purpose, and it also, like every district has the DIET, District Education Institution and Training, which inspect the uh, in every district diet colleges. It gives the permission. Okay, it 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 trains the in-service professors, assistant professors, and teachers. Okay, it also engage with the community. Okay, they also, if they have any issues in local schools and colleges, and it going to be interfere there. Then education innovation. So first, what if if new method want to introduce, they are going to be test and promotes the new teaching methods in teacher training. Then Mandal Resource Center. Okay, MRC. What is MRC? Mandal Resource Center. So it provides the in Mandal level or block level. So local support. It provides the guidance to the cluster school. In a Mandal, various schools are there. That schools are supported by the MRC. Okay, local resource distribution. It supplies all teaching learning material which is centralized in the Mandal, and it distribute to all the schools whoever have the schools in the Mandal in different villages. Then it also quality monitoring. It is also quality control. So it evaluates the school performance and at grassroots level or entry level. This is about the Mandal Resource Center. Then it comes to the what is the hierarchy. In simple way, we'll discuss. Okay, national wise, NCERT, NCTE, CIET, IFLO. This is the national level. Okay, it comes to the state level, NCERT, SIET, SRC, RIE. In district level, DIET. In mandal level, MRC. So, as we see that the national level, they have more responsibility, state level, little less, diet, little less, and very few for mandal level. Okay. So, educational impact statistics. So, in 1995, NCTE established. It is a statutory body under Act of Parliament. RI has the uh, RI has the 5 locations. Okay, different serving different regions across India, and diet diets almost 700 plus district level teaching training centers are there. Then almost 28 state SCRTs. So each state has their own SCRT. Okay, it is a localized curriculum. So let us have some examination tips for your DSC or TET, CTET. Okay, national bodies, you should focus on NCT regulatory role versus NCT academic focus. You should understand. So state institution, you should know about the SCRT, SIET, SRC functions and differences. You should also know that what is the diet colleges and what is the MRC in mandal level and their roles. If you know these things about the NCTE, SCRT, SIET, SRC functions and their differences and diet colleges and MRC, you will going to get the good marks and you're going to succeed in your examination. So thank you for watching Mohan's teaching corner. If you like our video, show support by liking our education content and subscribe our channel. Share with your friends and relatives. Okay, if you supports me, then I'll create everyday quality videos and which will be helpful to you. All the best. Thank you.